Hello children, welcome to Rainbow School. I am your sir and today I am going to teach you a ball, okay? So, how to make the ball? Today we are going to learn slowly, step by step. Are you ready children? Yes, so I know everybody like to play ball. So, first we will make the drawing, then we will color, then we will play, okay children? We are going to put nice color here. Okay, so first we are going to make the drawing. Take out your drawing copy and pencil eraser. So first what we are going to do children, first we are going to make a circle. Nice circle we are going to do. Slowly, do not hold your pencil tightly. Okay children, make your drawing lightly. So first make the circle nicely. Okay, I am waiting for you. Start the class friend. First make the circle nicely, slowly hold your pencil lightly. ज़्यादा जोर से प्रेशर मत देना यहाँ पे, एकदम slowly करना, ठीक है? So I hope you have made the circle children, okay? Yes. So next what we are going to do? Next we will make a small oval here, okay? Here we are going to make a small oval, say like this. Small oval we will make here, this oval, okay? Yes. So next we are going to make the curved line 1 and 2. These two curved lines we are going to make. So first from here we are going to start the lines. See everyone, from here till here, curved line, okay? Done? Yes. So next this line we are going to do. Here we are going to make this line till here. Done? Very easy. Start the line from here and finish the line here. Okay? Yes. So next this line we are going to make. This line we are going to make here also. We are going to make the third line. See, this line I have made. Now I am going to make this line like this. You are going to make the curve lines 1, 2, 3, 4. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curve lines I have made. Okay, done. Yes. So next we are going to make these two small curve lines here. Okay, see, like this. We are going to make this small curve line. So our ball is ready. Okay, now we will add here nice color. Okay children, ready? Yes. So I will show you the color in my drawing copy. Okay, ready? So let's start children. So we are going to start the color of the ball. Okay, so this is plastic crayons we are using. Always you should use plastic crayons. Okay, this plastic crayons you should use always. Okay, so let's start the coloring. First we are going to use the yellow color. Okay, first here we are going to use the yellow color. So let's start with me. From one side we are going to do, see, from one side I have started the coloring, see, like this. Okay, then we will continue the color from one side. See, from one side. Do not change the direction and do not leave white space. Okay children, done. Okay, so here I am going to continue the yellow color in this direction, standing direction I am doing. See, slowly from one side. Done. Next, so now here we are going to use the orange color. First what we will do, we will use the orange color for the lines. For the lines we are going to use the orange color. Done. From one side, slowly, step by step. See, from one side, slowly, step by step we will continue. Step by step. See children, color should not go out of the border. Ekdam slowly. white नहीं रहना चाहिए. Do not leave white space. Orange color done. Now what color we are going to use? Now we are going to use the red color. Here we are going to use the red color, children. See, now this is red color. Again we can start the red color from the line. These lines we are going to use the red color slowly. Here, this line also we are going to use the red color. Done. So now from one side we will start the red color. See, from one side we will start the red color. Here we will start the red color. Okay. Red color done. Okay, next what color we are going to use? Can anybody tell me? Now we are going to use the light blue color. Here we are going to use the light blue color. This line also we will use the blue color for the lines, and then we will continue the light blue color here. Light blue color. Okay, next again we will use the orange color again. Okay, here we will use orange color here. From one side slowly. Orange color. Now again we will use the red color. You can use any color. Okay, children, you can use any color, green color, pink color you can use, but I am using the red color here again because here we have used orange color, and this side also I have used orange color. Now here red color and red color. So you can use any color, pink color, violet color, dark blue color, any color you can use. And always make the outline first like this. See, outlines with the same color we will see, and then you can continue the red color. Okay, see children, I have not changed the direction. Okay, slowly from one side. Done. Okay, so here yes, so now here we will use dark blue color. Here we will use dark blue color. Done. So our ball is ready. We can play now. Ready, children? Okay, so like this you are going to color. Done.